Hello there. I'm in the middle of another job, and while the car is in the service position, I thought it'd be a good time to check out this fan that's rattly and loose. This one I got on Amazon for pretty cheap, just because the ones from FCP Euro and Audi were super expensive. So I'm going to give this a try, and we'll explain what I do. There's 3 bolts here, and a clip, and then there's a clip on this side and a clip on that side of the fan shroud, and I'll show that in just a minute. Aside from the tools you'll need for putting the bumper in service position, you just need a torque set and a pick. Since it was hard to get a camera in there, I'm going to do my best to explain by using some diagrams. The tabs I'm talking about are right here, and here's another angle from the manual, here and here, and you're going to need those to slide upward to become free. They don't have a lot of room. You have to push back this piece of plastic here in order to free up the shroud. So this is the actual radiator, and the shroud rests in the little holsters here on the radiator. Hopefully that's coming across clear. On the other side, it's back here, and I had to do the same kind of twisting action and pry away from here until that came out of the clip. And now, if it all goes right, I should be able to slide that away far enough like that, but I still got to remove these 3 screws right here. 3 screws removed, hoping that it can have enough room to slide at the bottom. Maybe not. I need to go underneath and pry some more. Let you know how it goes. So for this part, you just gotta bend the plastic away. There's no easier way to say it. You just pull towards the middle here, and it'll let the fan drop out, and then let the plastic relax again until you put the new fan in. Well, it does work. It just takes a lot of twisting and torquing. So see how that's on the other side of this metal? It should be behind it. So should this. And so you just gotta really flex the plastic and put a lot of energy into it. It didn't break on me, but we'll see when I go to put it back. This is the new fan tucked inside there. And we'll see if I can get that plastic to relent and go back into place. All right, that seems to have done it. Reconnected the screws, reconnected this power cord right here, and then just sunk these back into that little clip spot there. And you just kind of lift it and drop it in there. Right there, just lift it, and it drops down in there. And that thing looks like a little bit of a plastic cradle. That's kind of what it is. I won't know if it's fixed, but until I can start it up, and I still have a lot more work to do to get there. But this was the problem. I don't know if it's coming through in the video very well. Watch. So that was the problem, and it was making a clicking noise when it would rotate. Well, that's all there was for this one. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was helpful.